So what is basically a promise? So what happened actually? Our code runs simultaneously. That is line by line by default. So suppose if any line of code taking a longer time to finish, which is fetching a data, okay, or downloading an image, okay, so it will freeze the entire program. It will freeze the entire program. To prevent this freeze, okay, to prevent this freeze, promise, okay, promises are used. So they are used for asynchronous handling. They are used for asynchronous handling. Okay, it is like a placeholder. Remember, it is like a placeholder. So there are basically three states of a promise. One is pending. First is pending state. So pending operation is still working. Second is fulfilled. That is resolved. That is operation is completed successfully. And last is rejected. Okay. Rejected means the operation failed. Operation. So these are basic three ways to handle a promise. So there are two main categories to handle the promise. That is the modern one. That is async and await. We will see this async or await a lot. So they help us in step-by-step synchronous code. Okay. So let's check it out some promises. I have created a file. Or I am ordering a car from a factory. Function is there. I am sending the value brand, and it will return a promise. It will return a promise of string type. So I have to create a return function over here. See, promise could be resolved or rejected. Now suppose I am just printing console, just printing it like that factory received request for a brand and it started the production. Okay. Now now I want to simulate a 2 second delay. I want to give a 2 second delay. Wait. So I'm giving a simulating a 2 second. So there is a function known as set timer. There is a function known as set timer. So here I am setting a timeout and putting success condition. Almost. So I have simulated a success condition after 2 seconds. Okay. Now suppose if it is true, if production is there, if it is true. In that case, I can say our brand is ready. Else, I can say uh, company has rejected it. Okay, so I can say, sir, if it is true, then I will return resolve. Okay, you can say success. Else rejected. Okay, where it is going. So 2 second I am giving. So this is a total function time set. I gave it as 2 millisecond time. Okay, so it is 2 milliseconds. Let's run it out. So see what happens. It will wait for 2 seconds. It will assign a value. So this is actually either it will be able to within 2 seconds it was able to set it as true or not or false. Okay, either it will make it as resolved or rejected. See, we will learn these promises when we do the actual playwright programming. But here I am giving you the concept of it. Promise has three states: resolve, reject. Either it will return three any of these values. Okay. See, it is waiting. Okay. Wait. With some packages has came. What is the issue here? Order plan. Order. Hmm. Hmm. It is not rendering. I need to call this function also. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I need to call this function also. I will call this function. So we need to call this function also. Okay. So told you, so we for now calling, we will be using async. So it will be for synchronization because we have used timeouts. If we use timeouts and all these things, we will be using async. Okay. Async function. I'm creating a function. Hmm, start process. Here I can call const. I will use result. I need to send the value also. Now this function will call and it will send the value here test. Okay. After that, it will go to, it will start, receive the order. It will wait for 2 seconds, either true or false, anything it will happen. Here it will, and I will build it. Now we have done. This is the function we have. This function. Start. Okay. See, we just start trading. It take it 2 seconds, wait, and after that it returns the successful out. Okay. Now let me run again. See again, successful. So see, it will take 2 seconds and it will make it as true only. Okay, because the value is true. So, but here it is sending us the request. It is sending, returning us the value either resolved or rejected. Okay. So I have told you, I promise can reject three type of values: pending, fulfilled, or rejected. Okay. So these are the basic promises. Fine. You wait for some time, it will fulfill it. Okay. So these are the example. I can show you one more example. Just write this down.
one small doubt, Abhinav.
Yes.
The order car factory, below that, the new promise, the open brackets is there, right?
Which line? Which
Uh,
line?
Line number two.
Two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is the matching braces for the promise one? I'm not able to find that because it's throwing me an syntax error.
I am not understanding your question.
No, no, there is a promise brackets, right? Open bracket.
Yeah, yeah.
Where is the matching or closing for that? No, like, or
That is,
that's how the syntax is.
yes, yes. This is the syntax.
Okay.
This is the syntax. If you want to define any promise, you have to define this way. Because it,
Okay.
yeah.
See, for me, right, it is showing an syntax error because that new promise, there is an open bracket right next to the promise.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That shows for me in red actually, and says there is an parsing error or something.
No, no, you have to finish it out. I think I just copy this. I am giving you. I'm just giving. I've given this code in the chat.
So one more question, Nabina. What is the practical use of this promise in TypeScript? I mean, how is it connected with some kind of an AI operation or how is that?
No, 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 not AI. AI. Basically, you have some, say you have given four processes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it will start executing one by one. Suppose one process is taking 10 minutes, 5 minutes,
Okay.
ATM withdrawal. It is taking 5 minutes. So other promises should not get stopped. Okay. Or they should not delay.
Okay.
So that will go in a separate thread and the other will get executed.
Okay.
O-
Got it. Got it.
Okay, that is the use of promise.
That is.
I will show you one more example. Let's take an example of ATM withdrawal. Okay. So let me create a function. Withdraw. I'm returning a new promise. I have created a new function, creating a new withdrawal amount. Okay. See, amount withdrawal always takes some time, right? So it will be withdrawal ISAL withdrawal. I have given ATM processing. Now, let me give a let me give a processing delay of 1.5 seconds. Fine, that time. So let me check if the amount is enough in the account or not. Okay. If amount requested greater than equals to amount balance, account balance. Okay. If it is greater than, then transaction we can approve it, then it will be resolved. So I can give it transaction resolved, right? Console.log. Else. It don't be console, sorry, it will be resolved. Else it will be rejected. I can say transaction declined. Okay, fine. And here we are. Over here, comma, 1.5 second I am saying 300. Okay, now let me show you for both the things. Now, resolve and reject. Fine. So I am creating a function to test both the scenarios. I am creating a function to test both the scenarios. Now we have to use async. Why? Because we are using time modes. Okay. Function. RDF. Now customer A enters. Okay. Just give it out. Most success. Await. Withdrawal money. It will be true because withdrawal money is 5,000 and account balance I am giving 10,000. Okay. Console. What we want. Fine. Now suppose customer B enters. Now suppose customer B enters and it gave the wrong amount. It gave as const failure. Failure received is equal to await withdrawal money 15,000. So now 15,000 is greater now. It will fail now. Save it. Let's execute the program. This example. First 5 seconds, check it again. Okay. So it has shown error. Fine. So it is showing error. Because your balance is insufficient fund next time. But in the previous, it was sufficient fund. See, sometime you can get this error. So this is not correct thing. This is not a correct thing. You need to put it in a try catch log. Okay. So we have a try. If any error comes, can catch it. So these two lines, see what I can do. Here I am getting the error. Try. So you are sending here withdrawal amount received. Okay. As soon as it writes, if any error, I am putting it in the try. Any error comes, catch it. Catch it. Any error comes, catch it. Just catch the error. Okay. Because this is not the right way. And then print the error. Now let's run it. Because it is not showing the clean code. Now see A, ATM, B, come, now so. It is showing me error is insufficient. If you give these type of error like this, it will show you like this. Okay, you need to use this try catch. Okay, try. If this block is having the error, then execute this. Okay, guys, try this now. So we have seen, okay, promises, code three types, async, air. Anup, just go through these, understand. Everyone, Ajay,
Yeah, sure.
we will be starting playwright from tomorrow. Okay?
Sure.
But take your time. Looking for any topic which I can cover. Okay, guys, done. I'm stopping the recording.